question. I noticed one of the reasons for many women being immodest is their low self-esteem. And they are fooled to believe that if they are attracting, they can get more love. Wow. How can we help women to correct this ideology? Thank you, Rabbi.
So, and could you, I mean, and if they're attracted, then they can do what? I didn't get it, sorry.
Yeah, so I noticed one of the reasons for many women being immodest is their low self-esteem. And they are fooled to believe that if they are attracting, instead of attractive, they're attracting, they can get more love.
Oh, more love. Okay, if that. I don't know.
Yeah.
That's,
so how can we help women to correct this ideology?
So I guess, I mean, you understand, it's not such an easy question because it's not such an easy thing to do because we going against society, and these women, poor women, now even the men, been brainwashed every day, right? Every second they go to the street, they see, on TV, on the radio, they don't see, whatever, around them, co-workers, and I would say start from the beginning. So give them something let them learn the purpose of life. Because if you start from the modesty, they would not understand, and they would reject it right away. But if person learns from the beginning and learns little by little the purpose of life, they would change. Most likely, if they're honest people. If not, nothing is going to, whatever you're going to tell them is going to help them. Because if you start, it's God does not like it, what? They would not understand. Everybody's like that. So you're saying that everybody's wrong? You understand? They would not. So start from Torah and science, I would say.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.
So if the woman is not much into science things, the like, she would not be very, I don't know. I mean, there's people with different tastes. People are into different things. I mean, not everyone are into these things that are so particular and so sometimes so complicated to understand. So how should approach this type of women?
I guess this Rabbi Shlita's movie, Torah, what is it? Hashem took back his millions. It's a very emotional movie. So everybody would get it. Unless person is dead, so most likely that they connect. Right? There are many points where people can connect themselves to that movie. To some aspect, they're going through the pain. They're going through agony. They're going through the depression in their life. So in this self-esteem, low self-esteem people. So as I said, I trying to help some of them. Many times it's successful. I don't know. At least I see the progress. But how they behave with others, I do not know. But with some people, you have to build up. You just don't start shooting from the hip, as they say. So, for example, I was trying to help one lady. Baruch Hashem, got her separated. She actually separated from her husband, not husband, from Arab. She went to a different country and married Arab there, and then she ran away. And on the way, she started watching actually my short clips. Then we got in touch, and she asked, he's trying to call her. I said, no, of course not. He's not a husband. He's not a father. Forget it. Oh, she had a baby. So she ran away in the middle of the night with a baby. It's very interesting. So, but she was not up to there. But yesterday I asked her to remove the picture. It was hot. It's not nothing modest. just had. So I said, please remove the picture. And that's it. So I felt at the right moment. But if I would tell her like back then to remove the picture, maybe not. So again, it was only head, nothing modest. So she removed the picture. No question asked. Understand? If it would be a modest, I would ask her right away. Right? So that's the way we have to like build the relationship up, and then see how it goes.
Thank you, Rabbi.
You're welcome.